bring on board Ashish Maheshwari to get his take on the FMCG pack. A very good morning to you, Ashish, and Happy New Year as well. And thank you so much for joining us in the show. Let's talk about what's happening with the FMCG pack as a whole. Yes, you're seeing sharp cuts coming in on that sector, owing to actually what's happening when it comes to the quarterly performance or operational performance for most of them, most of the stocks. What's your take coming in for the consumption pack, for the FMCG pack as a whole? And do you think someone should place bets on certain companies there now?
Yes, in fact, if you see Nifty FMCG indices, there's almost from highs, indices is down by almost 1200 points, and it's down by almost 900 points today itself, which tells the story what is the investors' outlook for FMCG companies. I think the major culprit are here two, three factors. One is the major issue is that there's the demand is in range of 3 to 5% in most of the companies. So the sales growth which is there, which is not encouraging at all because market is used to see at least in higher single digit or double digit growth from these companies. So if growth is moderating so much, and which is on account of rural demand is not picking up, as well as urban growth, urban demand is again very static. And the way new brands and particularly local brands are also tapping the market, I think there will be some pressure in revenue growth of these companies. Though commodity prices are moderated, but some price benefit also they have passed on to consumers. And international markets also are not showing a lot of traction as far as Africa or MENA countries are concerned. So, in my view, headwinds are not positive for these companies, and as valuations are almost at 52-week high in line with the market. So, some correction is going to be there. The stock which I like is still here are first Varun Beverages. In my view, they can show the maximum growth in FMCG sector. I'm expecting double-digit growth in Varun Beverages, as well as Nestle is again a good stock to look at in this sector. Again, I'm expecting 9 to 12% bracket in Nestle in terms of revenue growth. So Nestle, Varun Beverages, and on some more correction, Godrej Consumer Product, I like to add in my portfolio. Dabur, Emami, HUL, etc. are avoid.